That's awesome. Now it's stuck on me. So, it's so cool. Oh, I'm a Wolfman. So here we are. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is hashtag PoolGuys. We're in the van right now. John is driving. John, what are we getting ready to do?
Well, we just finished repairing this hot tub. Had a couple leaks. We were able to repair them, and now we're returning it to the homeowner so they can enjoy it. Some nice warm water in this cold weather.
All right. So we got a. I just love the wolf mask, man. That's so cool. Now it's stuck on me. So yeah, we got a HotSprings in the back. See how close I can get this. We have HotSprings in the back.
They don't have it to
So they boil this. Hey, buddy.
Hello, it's John America Pool and Spa. This here is a Prodigy. It was under warranty. HotSprings has a wonderful 5-year warranty for anything that might fail from a manufacturing standpoint. We got the call that it had a leaking issue. We returned it to the shop. As a matter of fact, you may have even seen a video, 2 of us working on it. Well, we were able to repair its issues. Now we have it back at the homeowner's house. We're filling it with water, getting it wired up. That way, as this cold winter continues, the homeowners can enjoy their product. That being said, I'm going to get back to work and make sure they get it done that much faster. Complete. As we were discussing earlier, we were able to fix the leak. We returned the hot tub to its place of origin. We have it filled up. We have it wired up. cover on, water's heating up, it is good to go. So, if you got any other problems with your hot tub, maybe your friend has a problem with this hot tub, let us know at American Pool and Spa. Yeah.
Stay tuned. Yippee! Look at my wolf bag. Ah!